Hello guys, Rachel here of Archaeologist Gaming. Today, we're gonna do the short unboxing and also reviewing the Durgod Fusion Steam wireless keyboard. Let's do the unboxing. Inside the box, you will find the user's manual, the Durgod Fusion Steam keyboard itself, a Velcro strap, a keycap puller, a USB adapter from Type A to C, a USB Type C to C connector, and lastly, a USB Type C to A connector. Let's go to the specifications and features. The keyboard has a length of 316mm, a width of 134mm, a height of 45mm at the top, and 30mm at the bottom, and weighs at 1.3 kilograms. It comes with 3 variants: the Navigator with blue, white, and yellow color scheme, the original with gray, white, and orange color scheme, and lastly, the Steam with gray, black, and red color scheme. The Durgod Fusion is a retro-looking keyboard. It is sturdy and doesn't flex that much, even if it uses a plastic material for its body. The keycaps have great concavity that is good to type on. It uses double-shot PVT keycaps with great legends. The keyboard that I have now is using a cherry silent red switches. You can choose various switches for this keyboard that is available that suits to your liking. The keyboard doesn't have RGB lighting, and it has a low profile height for the keys. At the bottom of the keyboard, you will find 6 rubber feet, so the keyboard won't slip. There's only one option for the height adjustment or tilting of the keyboard. To turn on the keyboard, you just need to move the slider to the right and the green LED indicator will blink. To use the keyboard, you have 3 options: using a Bluetooth connection, next, using Wi-Fi with the dongle, and lastly, using a wired connection. At the top left of the keyboard, you will find the Type C port. If you want to use a custom cable, better check the dimensions so it can fit to the hole. There is a hidden compartment where you can find the dongle. Just press the last letter D of Durgod and it will open the compartment, which is a great idea by Durgod. Durgod includes 2 cables. First, a USB Type C to C cable with a length of 1 meter. The USB is not gold-plated. The other one is a Type C to A cable with a length of 1.8 meters. And the same as the other cable, it's not gold-plated. The cables are also not braided, but it's okay, because the main focus is using the keyboard without wires. Durgod also included a USB adapter that connects the 2 cables to make it longer. Durgod quoted that this keyboard will last up to 40 days. You can only see the battery level in the software. Speaking of software, this keyboard uses the Durgod Zeus engine. There, you can create macros for multimedia shortcuts and other shortcuts you want to try. For my testing, as always, I play some common esports games like Dota 2, PUBG, and Valorant. During my gameplay, even if I'm not used to 65% compact keyboards like this, I easily adapt using it on FPS games because the keys have great concavity, which is good to my fingers. But for Dota 2, I was having a hard time because there are no function keys available. So, you will need to bind the keys to different numbers or letters before playing a match. I also like the silent switches because I always play during nighttime. There is a little to none of the clicky sound that you usually hear for a Cherry MX switch. So for me, it's a great choice. There's no included wrist rest, but the range of tilt is accommodating, so I didn't feel like I needed one. Here are my final thoughts. The Durgod Fusion is quite cool wireless keyboard and unique because of the retro look. The stabilizers are already factory lube, which means you will have a smooth and consistent typing experience, which I think other companies should do too. For the battery life, you won't be having a problem. You can use the keyboard for long hours. Though the pricing scheme will make this quite expensive, and you can find other alternative for a wireless keyboard from the brands like Keychron or Infomaker. But if you're looking for the retro look, then it's worth investing in. But there are some problems, like the lack of media keys and the keyboard is software dependent for the macros. Overall, it is still a good wireless keyboard. You can buy the Durgod Fusion WIreless Keyboard at the price of $169 or almost 8,100 pesos through Amazon. Check the link below to be redirected to the store. I hope this video is informational for you. For more videos, click on the subscribe button and follow my Facebook page. And see you in the next video.